5 seconds to go. Start. The relief sought is to declare Rule 19B first 5 of the DCR void. Stop. That a part sanction is sought without insisting on the rule. Stop. Para. We may notice the relevant contents of the counter affidavit filed by the respondent state. Stop. The case set up inter alia is that the CMDA had carried out necessary survey and prepared the master plan which lays down policies and programs which are necessary to regulate the growth of the area and also to ensure its economic viability, social stability and sound management for the present and the foreseeable future and orderly development required the same. Stop. The DCR was an integral part of the master plan. Stop. Any person wanting to develop a property within the metropolitan area must apply for permission and the CMDA is empowered to enforce such conditions and restrictions as was necessary under the rules. Stop. It is in public interest. Stop. If the ownership of the open OSR area were to be allowed to vest with the original landowner, then the concerned owner would have a chance to convert the same for construction, the area specially reserved as open space, for communal recreation by suppressing the said fact after passage of time. Stop. Hence, it is necessary that the open space area should be vested with the civil authorities who are responsible for maintenance of parks and play fields in the sites. Stop. The open space reservation is provided to create lung space in the city and to have sufficient open space for the use of society. Stop. Para. A counter affidavit was filed by the chief planner of the CMDA and the stand taken was to seek support under section 17 of the Act read with section 49. Stop. The impugned rule has also been referred to. Stop. As regards the facts, it is stated as follows, para. Petitioner submitted the application on 17th August 1994 for planning permission for the proposed construction of hotel complex consisting of group of 2 massive blocks of basement plus ground plus 3 floors building and 4 small buildings at D number 1 and 2. Stop. The total floor area of the hotel buildings is about 13,300. Stop. The extent of the site is about 10,692. Stop. In the plan submitted by the petitioner, there are certain existing structures also, which are to be demolished for the construction of the proposed hotel buildings consisting of basement plus ground plus 3 floors, after demolishing the existing structures. Stop. In the plan submitted by the petitioner, he has also shown the area to be reserved and handed over as open space reservation. Stop. As the proposal of the petitioner consists of group of 2 blocks of basement plus ground plus 3 floors buildings in a site of an extent of more than 10,000, the same was examined by this respondent under Development Control Rules 19B second 1 to 5 and 6 C related to group development. Stop. While the Development Control Rule 19B second 1 to 5 deals with the open spaces to be left around the buildings. Stop. 10% of the area excluding roads shall be reserved and this space shall be transferred to the authority or to the local body designated by it, free of cost, through a deed. Stop. It is obligatory to reserve the 10% of the site area and no charges can be accepted in lieu, of new developments or redevelopments. Stop.